Hello everyone, it's Lonnie. I'm in the shed. It's afternoon right now, and we've been taking some precautions here, just kind of getting stuff squared away just in case there were to be a flood here. Although it's starting to look like the rain from Tropical Storm Barry now. It was a hurricane for a few hours, I think, but it hit land, and from all indications that I've seen, the rain is not going to be as substantial as they initially were saying it was going to be. So we're watching it though. Definitely, it was definitely apprehensive last night, like very apprehensive last night. Let me show you why. So this is from the weather.gov, and this is the river that is by our house, Amite River. And it's about, I mean, it's not far, quarter mile, half mile from here, and it fills up fairly quickly. Pretty good sized river. But we flooded in 2016. We had about 2 feet in our house, okay? And for us to get 2 feet in our house, it had to hit this record level of 46 feet 2 inches. That was in 2016. That was the highest that river had ever been in recorded history anyways. The highest it had ever been recorded. So yesterday they updated the predicted crest of that river to be 41 feet on Tuesday. So, and this is the current level now, or it was. Let me refresh. Whoops. Let me refresh it and see. Okay, yeah, they're still saying 10.84 feet. So it's way down here right now, but you could see they are predicting it's going to rise rapidly and get all the way up to 41 feet, which that is just a couple of feet from us getting flooded here. So I mean, based on history, at about 44 feet we would have water at the door. So at 41 feet, we still wouldn't have it in the house, but it would be close enough to where if something went wrong or something changed, it could be a problem for us. So now they haven't updated it yet. I'm expecting that they're going to change that crest to be lower, hopefully. We'll see. I mean, we have a little bit of wind. It's not bad. We haven't had any trees go down yet. Hopefully, we still have power, which is good. Do have a generator if necessary, but yeah, so far so good. I know a lot of you watching are in Louisiana, so I hope y'all are good. I hope y'all aren't flooding. I hope you're safe, because I know I've been through this kind of thing, and I know what it sucks. It just sucks. So I hope everybody watching this is okay. I think we're gonna be okay, but you know, I'm ready for it to be over. It makes me very nervous. So anyway, what I'm gonna do now today is I don't normally pack orders, but while I have electricity for sure, I am gonna go ahead and pack what orders I do have to go out, get them packed and labeled, so if we do lose power, I'll be able to drop them off at the post office and get them out of here. I need to stay on top of the packages as long as I have power though. I don't think this weather event is gonna be a super big deal for us, but you never know. I mean, things could change, I guess. All right, first up is this Jada Toys metal diecast Batman versus Superman Batmobile and figure. And it's behind this other stuff here. Do I have two of them? No, those are different. They're not the exact same. So I need to get back there. That's classic TV series, and that's Batman versus Superman. Okay, I need the one off the top then. This sold, set it down for a sec. All right, there we go. All right, this sold for how much? This sold for $39.99 plus shipping on top. This was from the last round of buying from my guy. Oh, by the way, a lot of y'all are asking like where he gets his stuff. So rather than repeat what I've already repeated before, my plan is, what I'm going to do is actually interview him. And I'll run it by him and see if that's something he'd be willing to do. I think he will. He loves to talk about, you know, like what he does and stuff with me. So I will see if he will do an interview. And of course it's not going to be I probably won't show his face just because I don't want to like give up my source just because I don't want somebody else to take my source. But maybe we could talk in general about how he gets his stuff. All right, I sold a bobblehead. I got an offer on a bobblehead. Oh wait, it's back here. Collectible thing. This is a, I didn't know if this would ever sell. This is a, actually this came from my guy too. This is a Tyson Chandler bobblehead when he was playing with the New Orleans Hornets. I took an offer of $14 plus shipping on top for that. That was a, I guess an arena type giveaway at a game. It's got a Subway thing up there. 14 plus ship. Okay, I ran an auction on 22 Hot Wheels cars, so I need to go pick that up. $21.50 plus ship is what that ended up selling for. It was this box right here. This says Peelers on it and has the piece of duct tape on the case. So yeah, $21.50 plus shipping on top for those. Oh, that's going to a viewer, by the way, Craig. Hope you like the cars, man. Craig's out in California. This is going to get shipped in a, I'm just going to use one of these regional A boxes. It'll fit it perfectly. All right, next thing up is a game called Funny or Die. I actually picked this up, I think it's been over 2 years ago at Dirt Cheap. I paid about $1 for it. They're right here. I still have one more. I've had these forever. These are Bad Buys, and I sold it, one game, for $5 plus shipping on top. So I'm so glad to be rid of this thing. Sold a car manual, 1985 Ford LTD Mercury Marquise electrical vacuum troubleshooting EVTM manual. So I need to go find that back here. These have been really good profit. They have taken a little while. Oops, didn't store these very well. Need to fix that up. 1985 Ford Mercury Grand Marquis EV, that's an EVTM book. So is this. Those are both, I think those are both the same thing. Need to check. These are kind of funny to store because they're long and floppy. All right, let's see. Let me bring these both over here, see if there's any difference. But anyway, I got $9.99 plus shipping on top for these. Oh, okay. I had two in stock. That's what it is. Okay. Yeah. All right. I had two in stock, and they literally look pretty close. They look really close. So I'll just put one back. Just gonna put them up top there so they don't get squinched up again. $9.99 plus shipping on top. All right, first big sale from the new lot is this Star Trek Phaser remote control. I listed it as used, excellent condition. To me, it looked like it might have been used once or something, or just like taken out, set up, and then put back in. It didn't have any signs of wear at all. Hang on, let me show y'all what it looks like. All right, so inside of this box has instructions, and then it has this case that was inside this plastic bag. But check it out, this is a really cool little box. You open it up, and it's got all the individual parts of the phaser that you put together. It's got like the battery pack. There's the cape. The cord still kind of looks factory wrapped to me. The only reason I didn't list it as new, let's see this. I saw one part where like, everything does look new. Right here, in my opinion, these contacts look like they had something touch them before. That's why I didn't list it as brand new, although everything is in perfect condition. So yeah, this is a very good sale for me. $3.99 plus shipping on top, so I'm ecstatic. I did get a few offers yesterday. Some of them were kind of low, like around the 200 level, but then one offered 300, which was like really tempting, and I countered with 350 and they declined. But while I was sleeping last night, somebody bought it at full ask of $3.99. So wow, that was a good one. Okay, the last thing is this Joker Lego Superheroes set 4527. It's going to be down here. There it is right there. That's, I mean, I love Legos for that fact that they put the numbers on there. All their sets have a unique number that makes it extremely easy to identify. This thing is complete in the box, but it is used. You can see it's already built up like that. So $12.99 plus shipping on top for that. This will definitely go first class package. So that's all I have shipping out. These are the orders that I got from like yesterday afternoon until right now. So this is about 24 hours worth of orders. So that phaser made it really nice. So I'm going to get these packed up and labeled just in case we lose power. I should probably stop talking now. And you know what? I'm going to make this one short, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. I might, if I do film any more today, it'll probably go on the next vlog. I just want to make sure I get this thing wrapped up, edited, and uploaded and scheduled for tomorrow, just in case we don't have power, so I don't have to miss a day of uploads. So take care, all you guys in Louisiana. Hope y'all are safe. Hope you are safe, and I hope your property is safe. And yeah, best of luck to everyone. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.